welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Lucky and Parker are both here with me, so if you hear some little feet, they're walking around the living room. Today I am going to share with you a shopping haul. I have things from several different stores. I have things from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Marshall's, and I think that's about it. So Lucky's over here going through my bags. So give me just a second and we'll get started. First, I wanted to start with this adorable Gnome Coffee Cup. It is from Walmart and it was only $3.98. And they did have, let's see, one other one I believe in gray. So $3.98 at Walmart. So this was my daughter's favorite. She picked it out. And then I picked out this one. It was also $3.98 at Walmart. And I can't remember, I think they had it also in white. So it's got the little raised hearts on it. Okay, next, we'll move those out of the way so I don't break them. Next, I also got this cup and it says, I freaking love you. And it was $3.88. It's the Cool Gear brand. And so this was all in the Valentine's Day section at Walmart. And so I thought this would make a good gift, like a teacher gift or something. Parker, stop it. I'm sorry, guys. My dogs are going wild. But this was from Walmart, and it's insulated. So and it also has a little tag to and from. So like I said, we thought we might make a little gift basket idea with this one. Okay, guys, so also from Walmart, here's some heart picks. These are only 50 cents at Walmart, and they're really pretty. They've got two different colors of glitter on them. So I know Dollar Tree has some pretty ones, but I just had to have these for 50 cents each. Also at Walmart, they have the cutest Valentine's Day dish towels. So it's a 2-pack. And so this one says, hello beautiful, and they had lots of different colors and sayings in the kitchen towels. Next is this Valentine's Day wreath, heart wreath. It was $5.24 and I just really liked it, and I thought, well, I can't make it for $5.24, so I just went ahead and bought it. Now I may change out the bow, but I thought it was cute. And then my daughter, y'all know she loves gnomes, so I got this little Valentine's Day gnome for her, and it's Squishmallows brand, and I think it was around $3. And then, let's see, that's from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I've got to show y'all. Guys, look at these beautiful flowers. All of these are from Walmart. Okay, let's start with these little tulips. These little tulips, and it just says Tulip Pick, and they're tiny. They are adorable. They're 97 cents at Walmart. And they look really pretty. They look like the ones you would buy at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then here's some more. This says Peony Pick. And like I said, this was 97 cents. And there's a lot of flowers on it, and I just love the color. And then this is their Rose Pick. So I picked up several of these in pink. And then, let's see, I also have some in white. And aren't these pretty? And they're cheaper than Dollar Tree. And then here's some of the carnations. And then let's see what this one is. This one is Dahlia. And here's another pink rose. Okay, and I got these pink tulips also at Walmart. Now this, it just says tulip bush. These were $3.47, but as you can see, it's a big bunch of tulips. And then for $3.47, I got this dahlia bush. So I just thought the flowers were just gorgeous. So you need to go quickly if you're wanting to pick up some spring flowers at Walmart. The prices are just wonderful, so I picked up several flowers. So give me just a second and we'll do Hobby Lobby next. This is like the 5th time we have tried to film this for you. Parker and Lucky, I don't know what's wrong with them, but they just keep wanting to eat, drink, play. So I'm sorry if you hear something. That this haul is from Hobby Lobby, and today is January 15th, 2021. And Hobby Lobby has their Valentine's Day decorations 40% off this week. So I got my daughter this adorable little gnome because she loves gnomes, and it was $7.99 plus 40% off. And then these cute little gnome picks were $2.99 and 40% off. This little sign was $4.99 and then 40% off. And I thought it was so cute, and I love the print. I love animal prints, and it says wild about you. So I love anything leopard print right now. So I picked up this sign. And then the pink and white little hearts were $5.99, and they also had these in black, gray, and red. And then I also picked up some Valentine's Day ribbon in 2 colors. And let's see, $4.99 is the original price on their ribbon. Okay, and I think we're going to go with Dollar Tree next. We found this pretty little jewelry box, heart-shaped jewelry box at Dollar Tree, and they had it in different colors also, and it's ceramic. And then if you like to decorate the tiered trays, this is a really cute option. It says cotton candy and menu, and they have several different choices of these in the little fairy gardens. And then also they have started putting out Easter decorations at Dollar Tree. So I picked up this little peep. It's nice and squishy. It says Peeps. And then they also had the Peeps flavored lip balm, and I believe it's grape flavored, so I got this for my daughter. And then they don't have all of their Easter decorations out, but they do have some at Dollar Tree. So I picked up a few things. So I picked up this 6-pack of gold eggs, and they're very lightweight. I picked up some of the little wooden bunny cutouts, and there's 8 in a package. I picked up some of the little 6-piece package of carrots. These are always one of my favorites. And then I picked up these egg picks. There's 4 in a package. And then they also had like the medium size and the small. And so that's all I have to share right now from Dollar Tree. I forgot I did pick up some candy at Dollar Tree. So I just kind of picked up a variety. Dollar Tree has a lot of Valentine's Day candy right now. I thought that this was really cute. You're a hoot. Some Hershey Kisses. Some Nerds in their little boxes. And then the Conversation Hearts are always one of my favorites. So now I think that's it from Dollar Tree. I don't usually share that much clothing and stuff like that on my channel, but I just had to share this because if you like to shop TJ Maxx and Marshalls, right now they have a lot of things with the yellow ticket, and so that's about the cheapest you'll find things at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and things usually sell quick. And I got this sweater. It was regular $16.99, and I got it for $8. They have lots of sweaters too, lots of colors, so if you're needing some winter sweaters or jackets, now's a good time to go. Also, yellow ticket for only $2, the OPI nail polish. My daughter and I love this brand. It usually stays on really well. And then I was needing, now this wasn't on sale, I was needing something to put like my lipsticks and perfumes and things like that on. So I got this tray, and it was $9.99. It says compare at $18, and it was made in India. So I just really like the way it looks. I've been looking for one of these for a while now. And then for my necklaces, I like this. It was only $9.99 at Marshalls. So that way it can, you know, hold different necklaces, lynx necklaces. So $9.99, and it has this pretty marble. So I have one that's hanging on my wall, and I was kind of ready to change it up. So I'm going to put this one on my dresser. So I thought it was real pretty. Now they did have 2 different styles. They had one that had a bar up high and then low, if you don't like the way this one looks. And then I'll show you this real quick. I got this. It was $7.99 to kind of help me stay organized. I thought it was really pretty with the snake skin. And then it's got the folders inside that you can put receipts and stuff in. And then the last thing I want to show you, I'm going to have to stand up to show you, so give me just a second. The last thing I wanted to show you is this wall decor from Marshall's. It was $12.99, and it's kind of the boho style, and they had bigger ones and smaller ones and different colors of these. So I picked this one up for my bedroom too for $12.99. So I hope this gives you some ideas, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching my shopping haul. In the comment section, let me know if you enjoyed this and want me to do more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend.